Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class we will start a new topic. Till now we have done mean, okay? We have to do median and then we will go for how to find the mode. So if the data is given to us and we have to find the middlemost value of it. If the data is given to us and we have to find the middlemost value of it, then it is called as median. We are focusing on finding the median. Okay. Now, how to find the median of any data? So for that, there are two formulas which you have to see it carefully. The first one is that if the number of observation is odd, then how we will solve? And if the number of observation, that is the given values which is given to us, is they are even, that is even. So how to find the value, how to find the median from that given values. Children, in mean we will not focus on whether the observations are even or odd, but for finding the median, if it is odd, then easily we can find. We will separate the half one and the middle most one, and plus 1 by 2th observation. But if what if the data is data given to us in the form of even numbers? Like suppose the data is 2, 7, 8, 10, 15. Okay. So which one is the middlemost value out of this? So we will separate this two, and this is the middlemost value, isn't it? So we can find it very easily. N plus 1 by 2th term. N, what is n? N is the number of observation. N plus 1 by 2. 2th term कहते हैं बेटा इसको, 2th term. And the data should be arranged in ascending order always. Otherwise your median will be wrong. So every time whenever you will have the data type questions, the statics questions, where you have to find mean, mode, median, whatever, arrange the data in ascending order. That will be the safest side. Otherwise, if you, while looking on the question, you may feel that okay, it's very easy, and you just start solving it. Then at that time, at that time you are doing mistake. So first of all, arrange the data in ascending order. After that, if the number given to you, observation given to you, were odd numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 numbers are with us. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of observation is 5, and it is what? It is odd. It is odd times. So we will apply this formula for finding the median. N is what, children? Total number of observation, that is 5. कितने observation है? 5. So n is 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2th term. So this is 6 by 2. यानी बेटा क्या हो जाएगा? 6 by 2 is means third term. This is third term. Which is the third term? First, second and third. This is the third term. So 8 is the median here. 8 क्या है? Median. 2 values here, middle one. But what if the data is not in odd? The observation is not odd. If the observation is given to us in the form of even numbers, even observations are there. So what we will do? So we will see first of all, like one more data I am taking, 16. So now the number of observations are 6. N is what? 6. Total number of observations are 6. Okay, N is 6. So median for finding even number of observation. Median for finding even number of observation will be this one, half, then n by 2th term, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1. अलग से बेटा, no need to take it in a 1. n by 2 plus 1 अलग से है. Tth term. And then close it. So what is n here actually? N is the number of observation. N क्या है? N is the number of observation. So it will be 6. है ना? When you will write, it will be half, it will be half, and n is what? 6. So 6 by 2th term लिखोगे बेटा आप लोग इसको, you will write it, otherwise again you will do some mistake. So now n is again 6 here, 6 by 2 and then plus 1, then tth term. Now solve it children. Half of 6 by 2th term means third one. 6 by 2 means 3, third term. What is the third term? 1, 2 and 3. Third term is 8. Plus, no need to write 3 plus something. That then you will do mistakes. Third term है ना बेटा, term is there. So it means it will come 3. 6 by 2 it will come 3. So third term. Third term कौन सी है? First, second and third. So we will write 8. Third term is 8. Plus 6 by 2. 6 by 2 क्या हुआ? 3. From here 6 by 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 6 by 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 क्या? Fourth term. So what is fourth term? 10. What is fourth term? 10. So write down fourth term. And now add them. 8 plus 10 is 18 by 2. This is 9. 9 is the median. 9 is not there in the values in the observation, but then also it may come. 9 is the middlemost one. Okay, this one. So these are the two simple formula which you will write now. This, if you will write it 2 to 3 times, it will be easily learned to you. No need to worry. So now let's start the question. Let's start the formula first. See the formula. This is the formula. When the median you have to find when the median value, the observations is odd. When the observation is odd, n is odd, n अगर odd हुआ, number of observation is odd, then median क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? n plus 1 by 2th observation, not n plus 1 by 2. ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे आप. n अगर आपने लिख दिया n plus 1 by 2 only, n plus 1 by 2, तो वो तो हमेशा ही आपका कोई एक नंबर आएगा ना. It will not give you the observation. So you have to write down n by 2 median when median median. अब यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं आप when odd number, यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं when even number, ऐसे. So median when the odd number of observation is given to us. So n plus 1 पूरा लिखिए, n plus 1 by 2th observation. ठीक है, n by 2th observation. n plus 1 करेंगे. So if it is 9 observations are there in the question. Suppose there are 9 observations. So 9 means odd. So we will apply this formula. So we will apply 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. So it means what? It means 10 by 2. 10 by 2 क्या होगा? 5. That is not, answer is not 5. आप देखोगे 5. Fifth observation क्या है उस particular data का? Fifth observation क्या है? ठीक है, जैसे ये आपको दे रखा है ना, दिस इज द डेटा गिवन टू यू. सो फिफ्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन अगर इसमें मान लो इसमें अगर खोजनी हो तो 1 2 3 4 5th, ये फिफ्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन हो जाएगी. इफ द डेटा इज रिटन इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इफ इट इज नॉट, देन वट एवर यू डू इट विल बी रॉन्ग, आई नो. So always write the data in ascending order. So now see the formula. Please note down. First one is for odd and second one is for even. Even for n plus 1, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th observation divide by 2. It is same children. No need to worry. Otherwise you can write down the what? Your book formula also. See this. This is your book formula. You write down and meanwhile I am erasing the board. Median of ungrouped data, children. This is ungrouped data. Only some observations, single observations are there. It is not like that the data is from 10 to 15 range. No, it is not in grouped form. It is ungrouped. And in our syllabus, we will follow the ungrouped data only. When you will go in higher classes, then you will definitely learn about grouped data. For mode also we will not go for grouped data. हम ungrouped data ही पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. Sometimes grouped data भी दिया रहता है, जैसे कि आपको दे दिया कि height, ages, in a colony group, some ages were given, ages of चिल्ड्रेन एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी दे दी कि कितने चिल्ड्रेन हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो इफ द एज इज फ्रॉम 0 तो नहीं कह सकते, इफ द एज इज फ्रॉम 1 to 5, 0 ही ले लो. 0 मीन्स इट नॉट कंप्लीटेड ना, 0 तो नहीं कह सकते, बट देन ऑल्सो. और 10 to 15 लीजिए, तो 10 to 15 में आपके 10 स्टूडेंट्स हैं उस कॉलोनी में. देन 15 to 20 उसमें अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट से आप देखते हो, ठीक है. तो 15 नहीं लोगे इसमें, यू विल नॉट टेक 15. सो 15 यहाँ से लेंगे, 15 to 20. सो उसमें 7 बच्चे हैं. फिर 20 से 25 की एज ग्रुप होगी, उसमें मान लीजिए 8 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. सो ऐसे ये तो एजेस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हो गए, तो बच्चे नहीं रहे. बट देन ऑल्सो सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ग्रुप्ड डेटा. ग्रुप में है, आपका वैल्यूज दे रखा है टैबुलेटेड फॉर्म में, रेंज दे रखी है, एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड. But we will do the ungrouped one, only ungrouped है. So for that write down the formula first, and then we will quickly see the questions. Median we are doing, children. See this question, exercise 21B, question number 1, and let's solve first part. Let's solve first part. So the first part is in my book I am having, so you must have your book with you. Question number 1, find the median of. Question number 1, first part. So I am going to write the numbers 3, 11, 7, 2, 5, 9, 9, 2 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it's matching, correct. Okay, it's not clear to you. Now see, this is the data which is given to us, and they have asked that what is the median of it. So first of all, data in ascending order. Data in ascending order. So the smallest one is 2, na children? 2 and 2. So write down 2. Then next one is 3. 3 is alone. Then after that 5. Then after 5 we have 7. Then after 7 9 occurs 2 times, and then 10, and last one is 11. So in this way we can write the data. Let's see the question first. See it, children. I think the question you have written. Now let's start solving. Let's see how what is the number of observation. कितने observations हैं, है ना? How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is 9. That is odd observation, odd number observation. ऐसे आप लिख लीजिए, ठीक है? So that you will in the beginning itself you will decide that which formula you have to apply. Otherwise, how you will write? So first of all, n is 9. Total number of observation is 9. हमने count किया कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 करते करते 9 है. So and 9 is odd number. So odd number observations है हमारे पास. So the formula for finding the median when the number of observation is odd. जब odd है हमारे पास, so that is n plus 1 by 2th observation. ठीक है? n plus 1 by 2th observation. So what is n, children? n is 9. 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. So 9 plus 1 10 हो गया. 10 by 2 is 5th observation. 5th observation. और आप ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ेंगे 5th observation. You will write also what is the 5th observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 7 is 5th observation. So the answer is median here is 7. यहाँ पे median क्या आ गया? 7. What is the median? 7. Clear? See this. Median is 7. Clear, children? But if you will see the fifth observation here, 1 2 3 4 5, इसमें 5 आ रहा है. Fifth observation here is 5. Then our question will be, our solution will be wrong na. If you will write the number as it is and you will pick the fifth observation from the given data which is not arranged in ascending order, then the solution will be wrong. Although you will write all the things, so you will get half marks only for the writing formula only. That's all. You will not get you will not be in a position to obtain full marks. So for that you have to write the value in ascending order. Then what is n? N is means number of observation. 9 observations है, तो we will write 9. 9 means odd number of observation. So median for odd number of observation. ये होता है formula. Write down the formula first. Apply it. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 2 means fifth observation. So what is fifth observation? 1 2 3 4 and 5. 7 is the fifth observation. Clear? Now let's see the third part. First question, third part. I'm going to solve first question, third part. You also write the data quickly. Write the data, children. I'm erasing the board work first and then I will write. I'm erasing the board work and then we will write. Okay. So quickly write down the formula. Write down the data which is given to you. Not formula. Right now you will write the data only. So now my board work is clean. Let's see what we have to do. We have to write the question. Question number 1. Question number 1, third part. Question number 1, third part. 1 कर रहे हैं, third part. ठीक है? Question number 1, third part. Is it visible? 21, 15. 21, 15, then 6, then 25, then 18, 13, 20, 9, 16, 8 and 22. ठीक है? 21, 15, 6, 25, 18, 13, 20, 9, 16, 8, 2. Yes, correct. Now data in ascending order. अब करेंगे हम क्या? It's the raw data which is given to us. Now we will write down in ascending order. So the smallest one, 6. No, it is, yes, it is 6. So we will put 6. We will write 6 first. We will write 6 first. See the data, children. See the data first. I hope you have seen the question. Now let's start doing. No need to waste the time. Data in ascending order are, first of all we will write 6. Then after 6 it is 21, 15, 25, 18. After 6 it is 9, children. So we will write 9. After 9, 8 is also there. So we will write 8 first. 8 and then 9. Okay. 8 and then 9. And after 9 it is 13. 13. Then 13 and then 15, children. It is 15. After 15 it is 16. So write down 16. Then 18. And then in this way we have to arrange. See it very sincerely. After 18 it is 20. 20. Then 21. Then 21. Then 22, then it is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 data we have written. And it is in ascending order. It's must to write it in ascending order. Now, so n is how much? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n is 11 means odd number of observation. Odd number of observation. Now for odd number of observation, median for odd number of observation is n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. Now what is n, children? 11. So write down 11. Total 11 data है. 11 observation है, sorry. 11 plus 1 by 2th observation. So 11 plus 1 is what? 12. 11 plus 1 is what? 12. 12 by 2 is 6. So it is sixth term. It is sixth observation. Sixth observation. So now sixth observation means we will write median. Median is equal to sixth observation. So what is sixth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is the sixth observation. 16. So we will write 16. Median is what? 16. What is median? It is 16. ठीक है? Median क्या हो जाएगा बेटा हमारा? 16. This is the solution. 16. Okay? Now let's see the question. Question number 2. Find the median of same question. So let me see, if it is even then we will pick it, otherwise odd you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it is even. In question number 2, even number of observations are given. So we are going to do question number 2 first part. Write down question number 2 first part, children. And then data in ascending order also. Data in ascending order. Do it by your own and then match it from my work. Okay? Do it by your own. Median for even number अब हमको करना है बेटा. For even number. Now we will write the data first and then we will write it in ascending order. You can write directly. If you are having pencil, use your pencil. Write it directly. Data in ascending order. Okay? So now let's write down question number 2 first part. Question number 2 first part. It is 10, 32, 17, then 19, then 21, 22, 9 and 35. Data is given and observations. Now we will write the data in ascending order. So the smallest one is 9, then 10, then after 10 it is 17, then 19, then 21 and 22, after that 32 and last one is 35, 32 and 35. So I hope you all have written it, data in ascending order, isn't it? लिख लिए? Now what is the number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 observations are there. कितने observations हैं? Total 8. So n is 8 here. N is 8. And 8 is what? Even number of observation. 8 तो even होता है. 8 is even number. So this is even number observation है. Now median if the number of observation is even, it is half. पहले आप लिखिए half. हाफ करेंगे किसका हाफ? हाफ ऑफ n by 2th term, n by 2th observation, n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1. एक और बढ़ा देंगे उसमें. नेक्स्ट मीन्स नेक्स्ट वाला चाहिए हमको. n by 2 जो भी आएगा उसका नेक्स्ट अगला वाला. So 1, n by 2 plus 1 th observation and close it. ठीक है? इसको टर्म भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म. सो यू कैन राइट इट एज n by 2th टर्म और n या ऑब्जर्वेशन और ऐसे. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व. हाफ तो हाफ ही रहेगा बेटा. n इज व्हाट? 8. n क्या है हमारा? n की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? n इज 8. Why 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations are given. That's why n is 8. So write down 8. 8 by 2th observation. इसको पूरा लिखेंगे बेटा. ठीक? देन प्लस फिर n हो गया 8. सो 8 by 2 plus 1th observation. ठीक है? ऐसे. Now next half. It is 8 by 2 means 4th observation. 4th observation plus 8 by 2 again it is 4. 8 by 2 is what? 4. 4 plus 1. यहाँ से यहाँ 4 आया. 8 by 2 क्या आया? 4. 4 में एक और ऐड करेंगे. 4 means 4 plus 1. 5th observation. ठीक है, फिफ्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन मीन्स पहला ऑब्जर्वेशन जो भी आया उसका अगला ऑब्जर्वेशन, अगर पहला फोर्थ है तो नेक्स्ट आएगा फिफ्थ, अगर पहला ऑब्जर्वेशन आपका यहाँ पे नाइन्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन आ रहा है तो नेक्स्ट आएगा आपका 10th ऑब्जर्वेशन ऐसे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हाफ ऑफ व्हाट इज फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन. व्हाट इज फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन? 1 2 3 4 19 इज फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन. 19 is fourth observation. So fourth observation की जगह 19 लिख दीजिए. 19. And what is fifth observation? 21. So write down 21 in place of fifth observation. Clear? Next. I'm solving here, beta. Now median will be equal to, ये हो गया half. Then it is 19 plus 21. I have written it again, huh? फिर से लिख दिया मैंने 19 plus 21. So this is half of what is 19 plus 21? It is 40. ठीक है, 19 plus 21 is 40 and 40 by 2 करेंगे तो आप क्या मिलेगा आपको? 20. ठीक है, so it is 20. So median is what? Median is 20. For this set of observation, the median is 20. Clear? Next. After this, question number 2, second part. If you will see question number 2, second part. So it is 55, 60, 35, 15. So we have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations are given. In question number 2, 10 observations are given. So for question number 2, second part, n will be 10. N will be 10 means again even number of observation. So you have to apply the same formula. आपको same formula लगाना होगा 1 by 2 and n by 2th observation plus n by 2 और फिर अलग से होगा बेटा, अलग से करिएगा plus 1. ठीक, n plus 1 ऊपर मत कर दीजिएगा, न्यूमरेटर में नहीं. This is separate. n by 2 then plus 1th observation. And then you can solve it by putting that observation. First of all, you have to write the data in ascending order. So I hope this question you can do. Question number 3 is find the median of first 15 odd numbers. Find the median of first 15 odd numbers. What is first 15 odd numbers, children? Let me erase the board first. Then we can write it. First 15 odd numbers. Can you write down in your notebook? First 15 and 15 is odd, na? So we will apply the median formula for odd number of observation. हम even number observation नहीं करेंगे बेटा. ठीक, what we will do? We will do odd number of observation. We will do odd number of observation. I am erasing board work so that I can explain it to you. I hope you people are also quickly start writing, isn't it? First median of first 15 odd numbers. First 15 odd numbers. So question number 3, first 15 odd numbers are, first 15, it's not visible, first 15 odd numbers are. Now what are the odd numbers? 1, 2 is odd number? No. Then 3, then 5. Starting से लिखना है ना, not any 15 odd numbers. No, कोई भी odd number नहीं लिखना है आपको, पहले से first 15. So 1, 3, 5 and write down in ascending order. 5, 7, 9, then 9 after 9, 11, then 13, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, then 27, then 29. Wait, first 15 बोला उन्होंने. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. बस यहीं तक आएगा. Till here. ठीक है, 30 से कम हो जा रहा है ना, तो 15 just half है ना. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 30 तक हम नहीं जाएंगे. 30 31 से 30, 15 आपको ऑड मिलेंगे, 15 आपको इवन मिलेंगे. तो 15 और first 15 odd numbers we have written. So now n is 15, that is that is odd number of observation, odd number of observation. Now we will apply the formula median when the data is odd, median when the data is odd observation. So it is n plus 1 by 2th observation, n plus 2th n plus 1 by 2th observation. Simple, एकदम simple है बेटा ये. So what is n? n is 15. n क्या है? 15. So उसमें plus 1 करके divide by 2. Tth observation. So and 15 plus 1 is what? 16. 16 by 2. It is 16 by 2 or it is 8th observation. 8th observation. 16 by 2 क्या होता है? 8th. 8th observation. So what is 8th observation? First, second, third observation, fourth, fifth, sixth observation, seventh and 8th. ये है 8th observation. 8th observation is 15. So median is 15. Median क्या हो जाएगा? 15. 8th observation. Starting से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. आप सिर्फ 8th observation लिख के नहीं छोड़ेंगे. You will write down, you will see what is 8th observation and then write the median. Okay. So in this way you can complete till here. The next portion we will complete in the next class. Till then children, complete it. Is it interesting now? So do it by today. Bye and take care children.